Yes, 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 zero friend, zero guys, ladies and gentlemen, hope ko mumeze neza harya yaga ngo we bitera
ubuzima buraryoha kushara isi iraryoshye. Ikibazo ni uko umuntu aba nsogongeje gutya ku buzima, ejo ngongera ngasubira muri ya mibu yo mu cyumbati.
Imeenda kabisa.
Aya nibiba byoroshye kabisa kuri iyi mihanda yacu. Korode hajya weho ngo nutinye iki kurusha ikira. Ibintu nibikomeje koroha
ninya umusore udakijijwe ukennye none kuruta uko ninya umujura.
Imeenda kabisa.
Dukomeza na nawe yacu ni amakuru abagezweho abari gucacambuwa imbuga nkoranyambaga, ariko hari ibyo ntarenza amaso pepe. Ubuse uyu ni Ndera mwe mu munsi mwandusha izina ryose ni Judira Judy nawe rero akaba ari kwitamo nk'uko muri kubibona. Aha ntibiba byoroshye. Dukomezana nawe yacu rero uwo bita Katebashabe nawe yihanangirije abavuga ko ashaka gushingiranwa n'imbwa ye kabisa mu burakari bukomeye cyane.
Ako guys, reka mbabaze namwe mumbwire nk'umuntu wifata agapostinga ngo ngiye kwambika imbwa impeta cyangwa ngo I'm marrying a dog, are you mad? Umuntu aba ari muzima? Do you guys know the influence you have on people? Like, some people believe this type of shit. Woke up, you my views, you just write some random stupid things about someone. You think it's funny. People think I'm depressed, I'm marrying a dog. Do you guys know how big of a deal it is for a Maltese to turn 9 years? It is healthy, not just fit. Sinimba mudakunda imbwa nkaba nzikunda